Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here. I'm Midhavi, and in today's video, I'll be sharing a few secrets and I'll be talking about something that used to be a real struggle for me, waking up early. I have heard all my life that I need to wake up early, I'll feel more disciplined and I'll feel more energized. I didn't realize the power of it until I started doing it. So in today's video, I'll be sharing a few secrets with you that actually helped me shift from snoozing my alarm 7 times to now actually looking forward to my mornings. My mornings are not perfect. They are not the ideal that girl routines, but they are definitely intentional. So the secret number 1 is to trick your brain the night before. Most people think that waking up early starts in the morning, but no, it actually begins the night before. So here's something that I do. Every night before sleeping, I visualize my morning, like I mentally walk through the first 10 minutes of my day. Brushing my teeth, drinking water, opening my window, getting some sunshine, making my bed, having my workout clothes kept out on my desk. All of this helps me wake up and visualize my morning. Psychologically, this is called implementation intention, which means that you are pre-deciding your actions. That makes it easier for your brain to follow through. So instead of saying that I'll try to wake up early tomorrow, you are saying that tomorrow at 6 a.m. I'll get up, drink water, put on my workout clothes and hit the gym or whatever you want to do. So you see that this is simple but really powerful. Now the secret number 2. Don't rely on motivation, because let's be real, it does not last. Motivation does not last. So I use environmental cues. For example, I place my phone across my room with my alarm set. I also keep my water bottle and my workout clothes on my table. So these are visual cues. They remind my sleepy brain that, oh right, this is what we're supposed to do in the morning. You see what I'm saying? Because I'll tell you something. Our brain, it loves patterns. All the time, the more consistent your setup is, it is easier to build a habit. You start doing this and you will realize how easy it is for you to trick your brain. Secret number 3. It would not happen overnight. This is a hard pill to swallow, but even a mistake that I made earlier was going from waking up at 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. and failing. So I shifted my wake up time in 15 to 30 minute intervals every few days, because it's not possible for you to start sleeping at 2 a.m. and then wake up at 5 a.m. It's not possible. And because I have studied behavioral psychology, and this is called the gradual shaping method, which basically means that your brain and body, they need some time to adapt, and small wins create momentum and confidence. And sure, there have been days where I sometimes skip, but I forgive myself and try again the next day, and that is how you build a habit. So it's really important to build real lasting habits. They are built with kindness, not pressure, and willingness as well. The will to actually build a habit that, yes, I want to wake up early, I want to feel disciplined. Let's move on to secret number 4. Give yourself a reason to wake up. This one changed everything for me personally. You genuinely need something you look forward to in the morning. For me, it was gratitude journaling with my cup of coffee while listening to calm music. I absolutely love doing this every morning. I look forward to it. No pressure, no rush, just peace. I am not doing this for anybody. I am doing this fully for myself. This is basically about positive reinforcement. The brain does what feels rewarding. So give your brain a reason to wake up with joy, not with a sense of burden. Alright, let's move to secret number 5. Don't make mornings about productivity. I know this might sound weird to you right now, but hear me out. We'll gradually move on to what I'm trying to say here. So when I stopped making my mornings all about productivity and wanting to tick off certain things, wanting to do certain things, that do yoga, read 20 pages, write your goals, do this, do that, hit the gym, etc., I actually became more consistent. And all the other habits fell in place gradually. Instead, I focused on how I wanted to feel: calm, centered, clear when I wake up. So when you make mornings about energy and not output, you naturally show up for them. And this is what I changed. Productivity follows when you focus on the energy and not only the output, that I have to tick off all those tasks. So that shift changed a lot for me. And now to wrap up, these are my 5 real secrets that helped me become a morning person. They are not hacks, they are not trends, but just habits that actually stick. It's all about helping yourself and giving yourself that mindset. Even if any one of these resonated with you, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And hey, if you're just starting, be kind to yourself. Becoming a morning person, it's a process, it's not a personality trait. And remember that you've got this. So bye, and I'll see you next time. Subscribe till then. Thank you.